Good morning, guys, and I hope you are doing great. Today we'll be designing a simple logo, and I will teach you how you can mock it up on Photopia. And so let's get started. Okay, now I have to delete this new text. This logo that I'll be designing will be just combination of different shapes, a power logo, a power icon logo. And so let's start. Now I'm going to choose my shape. I'm going to choose the round shape, and then you can enlarge it a little bit. Okay, and then you have to place it on the middle. So that's how to place it on the middle. Now before you erase the color, I want to put a texture. Let me add a texture. So I'm going to add a texture from my gallery. Yes, so this is the picture I'll be using, so I can just center it in the middle, and then you click on this icon here. Now as you can see, the shape now takes the form of that picture, and now you can pin it down by clicking on that. So let's erase some color. Okay, now increase the radius to 100%, and then you have to make it to form this kind of shape so that we can erase the color. Okay, then you need to center it at the middle. Let's center it at the middle. Okay, okay, now let's merge it together. To merge your pictures, your design together, you have to click on that and then click on this box and merge them together. Okay, since we have mashed them together, we need to erase this white color, and to do that, go to your eraser and enable it. Now as you can see, the white color has been erased. You click OK, and then you pin it down. So let's form another shape just like the other one. Now I'm forming another shape just like the other one. You can increase it a little. Okay, I think it's good like that. So I'm going to add the same texture. I'll be adding the same picture to it. Okay, so I'm going to center this at the upper end. Yes, so I can increase it. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, now you pin it down also. So I'm going to add a power icon. Let me add a little power icon. So this is the power icon I'll be adding. Okay, let's add it. I want us to place it very well. Okay, I think it's good like that. Now since you are done with that, you can merge the three of it together. Now the three shapes have become one, so we can move it up a little bit, and don't forget it must be centered at the middle. Okay, now let's move it up. Okay, so we need to write some text. Let's say power up. hub, center it at the middle. Okay, now let's choose a big font. I think we should use chunk 5. Okay, now that's chunk 5, and then it is best we select I think let's choose the best color. Let's find the best color for it. No. Okay, let's use the color picker, and let's select a color from our design. Okay, let's select this color. Okay, let us increase the color. Let's increase it a little. Okay, now I think it's more visible like this. Now you can increase it and center it back to the middle. Now let's put your tagline. Okay, let's use this as our tagline. Ignite with Power Hub. Okay, let's choose different color from this. Let's use the same color picker. I want us to use a visible color. Okay, now let's choose a small font that is not too big. Okay, center it at the middle. Don't forget to center it at the middle. Okay, I think that is good for now. Now you have to make it transparent. Now choose transparent and then see. After making it transparent, so we are going to proceed to the markup. But sorry guys, I'm going to make this Power Hub, make it visible by changing the color to white. Let me change the color to white. Okay, I believe it's okay like that. Let's move it backward a little bit. Okay, and this Ignite with Power Hub, let's change it the color to white. And move it a little bit. Okay, I believe it's okay like that. And so let's save our design.